In this video, we will demonstrate the basic operations of Santec's InterVision software, the OCT. First, turn on all of the devices and run the InterVision software, and then press the Start button. Place the sample on the stage and adjust the position until the area that you would like to measure appears on the screen. Strong signal noise might appear due to the sample's surface condition and angle. If this is the case, please try to tilt the sample to avoid any reflections. If you cannot tilt the sample or are unable to reduce the noise with the sample being tilted, then use the attenuator on the front panel of the interferometer. The scan range can be changed from the scan range setting. Before changing the value, press the Stop button. To adjust the image, please pause on the Measurement button and set the scan range. You can change the number of measurements by changing the pixel size. Larger pixel size allows more accurate image but causes a longer measurement time and data size. Average performs the moving average at the specified number of times. The higher the average number is, the lower the random noise, but the response time may be slower. The measurement depth depends on the refraction index. You can change the refractive index value to calibrate the measurement depth. In order to obtain the better image, the focusing position should be focused at the sample. To check the focusing position, use a sample that has a small structure such as a sponge. You will get the clear image at the focusing depth position. In this image, the focusing position is around 1 mm in depth since it shows the most accurate image. You can adjust the focusing depth with the delay line knob on the front panel of the interferometer. In this image, the focusing position is around 3 mm in depth since it offers a clear image. However, the image at the focal position of 1 mm has been blurred. After the comparison between two images, we can see that the shallow area is clear on the left image and the deep area is clear on the right image. Set the focusing position of depth that you want to see in the sample. However, due to the characteristics of OCT, the signal strength or sensitivity can be obtained in shallow area. The 1D OCT chart in the lower right corner of the screen shows the signal strength at the location shown in the red line, indicating that the signal strength decreases with depth. In other words, it is ideal to set the focus to a shallow area and set the position you want to measure at the shallow area. Also, the image above 0 becomes a mirror image and overlaps with the image below 0. Therefore, it is ideal to adjust the height of the sample on the z-axis of the stage so that the surface of the sample is slightly below 0 depth, and adjust the focal depth with delay line so that the focal depth reaches the part you want to measure. If you click the preview mode, you can check the 3D position of the sample. Check the XY data at the left side of the screen and depth at the right side of the screen. Click the 3D mode while measuring in the preview mode to obtain 3D model. After performing 3D measurements, you can select any cross-section point and change the position. In addition, InterVision offers point-to-point measurement and peak detection. Point-to-point measurement shows the distance between any two points. Peak detection shows the location of peaks in the selected range. 3D OCT viewer software will be introduced in the next video.